this is happening in the jails, you see. And somebody who had received me, he was from Visholi, and he was caught for something and put behind bars. He gave me a letter.
But
How
any
long?
suggestions as a government? But सीएम को कुछ बोलना चाहता है कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है और सीएम गवर्नमेंट ने एक्शन कुछ नहीं
नहीं, ये ऐसा हो रहा है जेल में, लाइफर्स है, ये है, डोंट मिक्स दैट.
But government has not taken an action. You feel on that issues when such type of issues are going
No,
on?
it doesn't come to the light. There are parties going on. People put it in the press and all that. Things are happening in the coming in the press. So these things have to be curbed. And we have to see how we can reform these people.
When you have brought this issue to the notice of the assembly, what are your hopes from the government now?
Well, I hope they will act.
So yesterday as a transport stop we stop किया था
कर्नाटक
गोवा से कर्नाटक जाने के लिए. और लोगों के लिए क्या ऐसा क्यों?
No, it's an undemocratic method. Somebody become high-handed. I think government of India should also act. It's all before the tribunal. And I think, I also mentioned
Yeah.
that both the governments joined together, belonging different, because each one is a responsibility towards his own people.
So is
but
the-
somebody who violates.
So your government is there, no? Karnataka.
In Karnataka, your government, Congress-led
No,
government.
whoever may be, some ministers also long time back met me. I said, no, we can't give you.
Is the burn call on Saturday, especially on this issue, justified now?
No, we feel it's for them to decide. It hurts the economy and their own people.